All right, so the latch quit working on the Jeep Liberty. And even though it's shut, this opens, this doesn't. So what I've done here, if you see this, see that? I put an arrow there. Right on the other side of that arrow is the latch. And the secret to this, getting it open once it's shut, is you pull the handle, pulling the handle up here. Right on here, you can feel the linkage where there's a rod that comes down, attaches to a plate. There's a pivot point. You hold onto that. There's on the inside. You can't even see it. All right, it's very dark in here, but we'll see if I can show you. So if I pull on the handle while I'm grabbing this, there's on the inside. So here's the outside. On the inside, there's another plate. You push that down and the door opens. Okay, like this. So I'm pushing it down and the door opens. So 3 Torx screws right here to remove the latch. And there's that one. Pulling that out, don't want to lose those. And, okay, right here, see this part here? There's this red thing goes through and it goes up and it just latches onto that. So sometimes you can do it with your fingers. Sometimes you need a screwdriver. God dang it, it's tight. Okay, try a screwdriver. Kind of pop it off. There it goes. And then you just scoot it out like that. And look at that, the whole latching mechanism comes out. Now, I'll lean this on my knee, can you hold that? And this is pretty easy. You got this right here, comes out, and that's the part. And this vehicle was broken into, so this all looks like it all got bent out of shape down here. Yeah, this is all messed up. Yeah, there looks like there used to be a screw that went in here. Ooh, maybe that's all that's wrong with it. Okay. Well, it turns out this screw was missing, and maybe this is a common occurrence in these Chrysler freaking latches. So that screw, here's what I did. Whoa, where am I? There I am. So I put a nut. I didn't find the right screw, but I did find a nut, and I put some sealer on there, so the nut don't come off, right? Hopefully. And I put that through there. All right, and then I scoot it back up in here. Cut this. Put these back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Extra tightening for good measure. Yeah. And then right down that hole, this linkage just goes clear. So if it pops, you can see it pop right back on there. See that? It's all put back together. And moment of truth, here we go. Boom, fixed. Look at that. It's a beautiful thing. All right. So yeah, maybe other people have that problem. Who knows? Whoa. Yeah, some of these got broke. This one goes here. Nice. Got that one there. That one broke off. This one's still in here, but it's in here too. We can fix that. Sometimes these get damaged when they're coming out. There. And that goes here. Like that. So now it looks like we've replaced them all except for this one. That was broken, so no big whoop. Alright, stand over here. See if we can get a shot of this. And then just press them in there. Each hole in its place. That looks that. Like that. Like that. Come on now. Nice. Pops up over there. And we got these brackets up here. Okay, so yeah, that's how that's done. All right, and it's on there. Fixed.